Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can monetize TikTok account and potentially earn money. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, we're just gonna open up and here, as you can see, I'm on TikTok right now, and yeah, what you have to do is just simply head over to your profile like this. And once inside your profile here, as you can see, you have to press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Just go ahead, once press on that. Once you press on them, you'll see some options, but right over here you gotta go to the option of settings and privacy first. Now right over here you'll see the option of accounts. Go ahead and press on account. Now you have to switch to business account, and you'll see this option right over here. You have to press on switch to business account and make sure that you switch to business account for more, analytics and earning money, when you'll see all the everything, all the progress. So this, and like it depends on your regions, but there will be a TikTok seller shop right next to it, but we're not here for seller shop method, we're here for monetization. So we'll go back and we'll press on these three horizontal lines again, and right over here you'll see TikTok Studio. Just go ahead and press on that. And inside TikTok Studio here, as you can see, you'll see some of the trending creators and everything which are inspiration, but you'll see your analytics and everything right over here as well. But you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of monetization. So right over here it says subscription and service. So if I press on more ways to get paid, it'll show me this, and here as you can see, it is, I'm not eligible right now, but I got like two programs for me, and the one is like subscription and the service plus. So I just gotta be eligible, and you just gotta find out when you will be get eligible for it. So you just gotta go ahead and read. So here, as you can see, this none of these are available for my region, but if you, here as you can see, if I press on join plus service, I got it, and here as you can see, I'm not eligible for it. I'll need to have live access. So you'll have to do these simple stuff, and when you'll be eligible, they will notify you, and you'll be able to earn money by simply doing these simple programs. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.